Yeah, so after harvesting the sweet potatoes, you can see the ground has been prepared. So we are ready now to start planting our pepper seedlings, which were cultivated some months ago. Now they've germinated. We are transplanting the pepper to this environment where we just harvested the very sweet quality potatoes. Yeah, and also if you can see, the texture of the soil is so moist, because from the last time before we planted the potatoes, we had a lot of manures, chicken dungs that were mixed with the soil. And even as we are preparing the area for the pepper, we can still see some particles of the manure we used from the last time. So the soil is very, very rich. Once we add water on it, it's going to look so moisturized and all ready to get the pepper going. So you can see Mr. Aruna is on it. This is how you plant pepper. Just get it only a few centimeters deep. So these are the seedlings we cultivated a while ago somewhere around the farm. Now the seedlings germinated. You can also cultivate the seedlings in containers, right? Yes, you can also use containers for it. So if you don't want to use container, you can also use a large a small piece of land, an area where you clear, but you just make sure you put a covering. You get something like shade. You could use dried leaves, or you could also use palm fronds to cover the seeds, because the early stage of those seedlings, they do not need
exposure to the sun.
Exactly, they don't need exposure to the sun, so you need controlled sunlight. You can also plant in a greenhouse if you can afford that, but if you cannot afford a greenhouse, you could use container, or you can have a small space. Just make sure the area is covered a little and it doesn't have direct sun, and the soil is moist at all time. And after a few months, you have your seedlings ready to transplant and start harvesting quality peppers.
Organic.
Yes, organic peppers, exactly. So some people, I think the Hausas call it atarudo. Atarudo, okay. I've also seen where some places call it habanero. I don't know what language is that, but these are all various names pepper is called. Yes.
So this is the seedling. They are still looking fresh for transplanting.
And it's important for you to know that when you are transplanting pepper, you have to do it almost immediately. Otherwise, there's a chance it will germinate. Is that right, Mr. Aruna?
Yes. After planting, then watering is very important.
Okay.
Because already the seedlings has already been exposed to the sun, so you need to water it after planting.
Okay. So for that, we have our watering cans ready with water. We are using this irrigation system for now. This is the rainy season. We have lots of rain. It might probably rain even this evening, so there's assurance for water. Other than that, you can also use drip pipes